chemistry. I'm really fucking with all of your energy. Highly pursue what I...
Well, good morning there. Today we're going to be doing more siding, and I was about to put up the drip cap on some of these windows. Let's get into this, and then we'll get into the other stuff. So it should be a fun episode. Let's get it. Okay, we got some of this window trim done here. As you can see, the door is a little bit lower than the window. They're supposed to be even, but I framed it out a little wrong. If you're framing the doors, take into account the bottom plate, which adds another 1.5 inches to your measurement. But anyways, I think we're... Hello there, it's now, sorry if that's really loud. It's the afternoon, evening, 5-ish, and I'm starting on this wall here, so that's exciting. Already I'm back from nighttime routine, which is putting Xander to sleep, getting some dinner, hanging out, and then coming back out here for a little while before the sun goes down, which is good because summertime, the sun stays out. And I was just talking to someone, might have a future project in building a tiny home coming up. So, and then there's also our Airstream renovation that we're doing. So if you're interested in any of those projects or just building and watching stuff like this, make sure you subscribe, follow along, helps the channel, helps me. Check the link in bio if you want cool swag, and that's about it. Looking good, looking crispy. These are lining up, and then trim will sit on the outside here, and then we'll get trim for this corner here. So we need to go, well, I think showing all the way up here as well. Still need to soffit. So yeah, it's looking good. Looking good. And Kristen was just in here. She didn't want to make a guest appearance, I guess. But I think that'll be it for today. Good morning there. It's like 6:30. Getting a little bit early start today since I slacked off a little bit yesterday because I was just exhausted. But feeling good, waking up. I have this little row of things to do here. Yeah, let's get it. Sorry, what? Oh, thanks. Well. Shit. Just broke it. Okay, after several attempts, they're up. And I'm not going to touch them until I caulk them so that they can stay in. So, don't breathe on them. I'm just kidding, they should be fine. Next we got this top rope here, which I already almost cut. I measured and everything yesterday, and then I got sleepy and dinner and stuff like that, so let's get this one. So we got some more roads. And it's already hot as a mother out here. We got some more siding we're actually gonna do. Hey, it's hot, so I'm gonna take a break. Be back in 3, 2, 1. Hi, I'm back. Check it out. Got the. Remember, there's gonna be trim here and here covering, but look all the way. You can see I put the flashing here. Here I just made it myself. It looks okay. A little flashing showing there, and then going up, we have. You can see the step flashing going, and then here's a little bit more revealed. I want to get that a little bit smaller, but honestly, it doesn't matter that much. No one's really gonna be looking at this side of the house, so we just keep going. Whoa, getting so close. Got to do the other side of the roof there. A couple pieces down here. Oh yeah, boy. Look at that. That's crispy, brother. That's crispy. All right, let's get some windows. Alrighty, I want to show you this that I cut out for the fixture. Got this hole out here. What I did is measured the middle here as well as down there, and same distance up from the foundation. And then I poked a hole here, and then I put this piece up, went around to the inside, and then got from here, held it on this side, drilled on this side to poke a hole in the back of this piece. And then I came down here and I cut it out with this thing and with the jigsaw, and that was pretty easy. So I'm gonna put this little pancake thing here. So we put that, wire goes through, and then the fixture connects to this. You moved.
Car.
Hi, good morning.
Car.
Cars.
Yeah.
You like cars? You wanna show me the dinosaur? Come on, show me. Come on. Whoa. Wow.
What's up? Always the close-ups in the morning. It's my favorite.
Hello there. Welcome to Monday morning. Ugh. I got this rain drip flashing. You see that? How there's like a lip on it? So I got this. Roof will sit on it. Alright, so we got the flashing up there. You can see. corrugated metal sitting on top of the rain, so it's going to sit up a little bit right there, drain onto the roof, or hit the rain diverter. So there's that. Alrighty, my battery's about to die, but I'm going to take this post off because I got that stringed up. And let me get you a close look real quick. Coming down, looking nice. And then, yeah, we got this wiring here. So we got a clip here, this thingy, and a wire, and a clip up there. I put some support in up there across the two posts here, so we have more sturdiness. And then this is going into the 2x4 down here. Alrighty, the siding is done. Here is a brief overview of what we got. Now, this is obviously later on, a few months past when this video was recorded, but I just wanted to show y'all what it looks like now without the paint still. So here we go. And now to the back. Alrighty, that about sums up this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe, like, leave me a comment, and check out the next video in this series. Thank you for watching. See you out there.
Squish, squish, squish. What are you eating? Mac and cheese? Wow, good bite.